guys feeling the love tonight? I think this world needs a little bit more love, and that's why we're here, right? Spread the love. We're so glad you guys are here. Isn't this train an incredible thing? Let's hear it for Canadian Pacific for putting this train together year after year. Yeah! Merry Christmas, baby. Sure to treat me nice. Merry Christmas, baby. Sure to treat me nice. Gave me a diamond ring for Christmas. Now I'm living in paradise. Feeling mighty fine. The music on the radio. Feeling mighty fine. Got the music on the radio. Feel like I wanna kiss you, baby. Standing with the mistletoe. Santa came down the chimney, 3:30. Caroline's little presents for my baby and for me. Merry Christmas, baby. Sure to treat me nice. Gave me a diamond ring for Christmas. Now I'm living in paradise. Merry Christmas, baby. Sure to treat me nice. Merry Christmas, baby. Sure to treat me nice. Gave me a diamond ring for Christmas. Now I'm living in paradise. Thank you so much.
Oh, hey kids, how you guys? Are you still warm? Yeah, that's good. I got a question. Who is it that comes around this time of year? Who's that? The Easter Bunny? All right. We got a message here for you from Santa. You better watch out. Better not cry. Better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping, and he knows that you're awake. And he knows if you've been bad or done something.
program and to support your food bank. Please do not forget, oh, there's Santa right there. Hey, Santa. Don't forget to drop off any items that you may have brought for the food bank. They will take cash. They will take non-perishable food items. So please give generously if you can. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And don't forget to enter our Capture the Spirit photo contest.
Train pulling out of the station.
We'll be taking off shortly. So if you can, please take 3 big steps back from the holiday train stage.
Dead battery blues.
Folks,
Battery
on
went
this side, thank
dead.
you so much for coming out. We really
Thank
appreciate
goodness.
it.
Thank goodness I had
All right,
a
folks, we'll see
spare
you again
battery.
next year. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year.
I didn't know the holiday train played so long. Wow, Canadian Pacific Holiday Train. What a great performance. Fantastic. Wow. 35 minutes of video. I wish I knew how to join the 2 videos together. I used to be able to do it on my Movie Maker when I put the videos on my computer, but I even have a video from California where I set the camera down. I thought it was on pause and it was recording 25 minutes of lying on the ground. So there's a way to edit it. One day somebody will show me how to do it. The holiday train. Let's see if I can go around the corner through the woods and the brambles and get the holiday train pulling away. There it is, the holiday train. We'll see if we can catch it on the bridge. Get a nice view of it going by. Oh, we love the holidays. All right, came around the corner, over the bridge, right by the monument, the Eagle Monument. And here she comes, blowing her whistle. Yes, we are recording. That's a good thing. And my battery is in my hand. I've got this RAV Power Monster battery pack, twice the size of the phone, heavy but effective. The CP Holiday Train. Hear that whistle blowing, coming around the bend. Fantastic. Makes you proud to be a citizen of the greatest countries on earth, Canada and USA. Off we go. The band is all bundled up. They're performing right there. Wow, riding the Canadian Pacific Holiday Train. Does it get any better than that? That's it. Hear that whistle blowing, going around the bend. Happy holidays to each and all.